We can only marvel at their mettle and intrepid spirit. We can only be in awe of their patience, perseverance, and dedication towards their service.
We can only long to possess an equally gargantuan heart, willing to sacrifice every little joy in life for the sake of serving mankind. We can only be highly impressed at their efficiency, accuracy, expertise, and skills.
We can only be amazed to see their constant struggle to serve people tirelessly with every inch of their being. We can only be stunned at their sacrificing all their material and worldly pleasures just to abide by that oath of theirs which requires them to serve people selflessly and relieve them of various ailments.
No points for guessing whom we are referring to here. They are none other than our real-life superheroes, the doctors, nurses, and the frontline healthcare workers.
Life has brought us all to an unexpected juncture. We have never been through anything like this before. We weren't prepared or devised to face a world engulfed in a pandemic. It was the doctors, nurses, and the healthcare workers who didn't even think once before plunging in to take the entire situation upon their shoulders and equip the society at large to face this unprecedented challenge.
Pandemic or not, doctors have always been our comfort, putting our miseries and helplessness at bay. They are the ones who stand by us through our most vulnerable times, helping us to surmount physical and mental illness of any form. We have bared our deepest insecurities in front of them, and they have never failed to soothe our souls. Rightfully, they have the biggest yet unsaid role in keeping us alive in the truest sense of the word. Yes, sometimes when the whole world falls apart, it's the doctors who give us a second chance with life with their constant comforting and reassuring words.
During this pandemic, they have gone beyond themselves to combat the chaos brought forth by COVID-19. They have selflessly sacrificed their personal lives, overlooked their own healths, and worked tirelessly round the clock to restore sanity during this insane time. They have happily carried the burden of the PPEs, masks, and extra layer of gloves without complaining even once. They have stood like shields between the virus and us, happily embracing the harsh reality that life had unknowingly enforced upon them.
It's a pity that sometimes we ourselves try to taint this most noble profession on earth by indulging in some really God-forsaken activities directed against them because of some really frivolous issues. How outrageous that is!
To what has the society come to, instilling fear into and exercising undue violence upon a profession which deserves the highest degree of respect?
All the years of toiling day and night for earning the prestigious degree will go in vain? Can we even imagine a single day without them?
The doctors do not deserve such a treatment where they are forced to work under constant fear. That is simply not acceptable. What they deserve is our respect, benevolence, and empathy.
So let us all be a little more compassionate towards all our healthcare workers and pledge to stand by this dignified community in the fight against coronavirus so that our heroes with white capes emerge victorious in this almost deadly battle.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the frontline COVID warriors and salute them for their unconditional sacrifice and devotion that they are putting into this service at this time of colossal crisis. So, thank you once again from the bottom of our hearts.
ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या हो। ये हौसला कैसे रुके